Yes. Good evening, children. Now today we discuss the logarithm of a number. In the previous class we have already discussed the log of any number. Suppose you have the log m. M is any number with which 10. Natural. No need to write this 10. It is always equal to two quantities. First is called characteristic and second is called mantissa. Characteristic plus mantissa. Dear children, you always remember characteristic may be positive, may be negative, or may be zero. But mantissa is always positive. ये depends on table, means we see this value from the log table. This is the basic fundamentals. Characteristic is nothing. You have the number of digits when you write the any number in standard form. Suppose m is the number, you have to write this number in standard form. Whatever you have the number, then you say, sir, n into 10 to the power p. This p is nothing, it is called characteristic. Then we take log of both sides, then it becomes log m equal to p plus log n. This p is characteristic and log n means mantissa. Mantissa is always positive and characteristic may be negative, may be positive, may be zero. Depends on the number of digits before decimal or number of zeros after decimal. Whenever you write the scientific. In previous class we have already discussed till step. Now today we discuss its reverse process, anti-logarithm. What is anti-logarithm? Anti-log is nothing. Suppose you have log m equal to x. Then what is m? M is called anti-log of that number x. How you find this anti-log? What is the rule behind it? We will discuss. Pause. Yes, dear children, how we will solve the problem of anti-log C in exercise 2.4. Log x equal to 1.3649 is given. We want to find the value of x by using the anti-log table. You say, sir, x equal to anti-log of 1.3649. My dear children, anti-log table is always viewing or observing for the mantissa. This portion, this is the mantissa. You see the anti-log table of your book. In the last page, you have the anti-log table. After decimal, you have 0.36. So in first column, first column you have 0.36. 0.36 first column में आपको लिखा मिलेगा. In here you have the line. Here you have number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. See what is the value here. Observe the table. 4 के सामने 0.36 में क्या लिखा हुआ है? 0.36 के सामने 2, 3, 1, 2. I think C 2, 3, 1, 2 लिखा हुआ है. क्या किया? 0.36 एंटीलॉग टेबल में देखा, 4 थर्ड डिजिट यहां देखा. अब 4 डिजिट आपके पास क्या है? 9 है. 9 के लिए मीन डिफरेंस, जब ये 9 तक चला जाएगा तो इसके बाद अगेन काउंटिंग 1 से शुरू हुई है, 1 2 3 टिल 9. सी व्हाट इज द नंबर इन फ्रंट ऑफ दिस. 9 के सामने यहां कोई नंबर होगा, दिस इज द फोर्थ डिजिट. सी द नंबर. 9 के सामने क्या नंबर लिखा हुआ है? 9 के सामने 5. यहां आपको 5 दिख रहा होगा. 2312 में आपको 5 ऐड कर देना है. इस 2312 में आपको 5 ऐड कर देना. 2317. सो व्हाट इज द x? x इक्वल टू 0.2317 into 10 to the power. Listen children, into 10 to the power characteristic plus 1. What is the characteristic here? Characteristic is 1. 1 plus 1. That is 0.2317 into 10 to the power 2. That is 23.17. This is the value of x. How you calculate the anti-log? You got it? Yeah. Now dear children, see another example. In the previous question you have characteristic is positive. But here what you have? 3 var. That is -3. Characteristic is negative. So same table, I have considered the same example. Their mantissa is same but characteristic is negative. So how we will solve such type of question? When you have the characteristic is negative, then here you say -3 plus 1. Characteristic plus 1. In previous case characteristic was 1. Here you have characteristic -3. 3 bar, that is -3. -3 plus 1, that is -2. So what is the answer? In such type of case, the answer is decimal shifted left side 2 digit. Why? Since there are -2. So you say sir point 2 digit. 2 zeros आपको ले लेने हैं. 2317. This is the answer. Remember, whenever you have characteristic negative, then you have such type of, how you say characteristic is negative? Minus sign is imposed on the number before decimal var form. In var form, this is -3 only. Yes children, how we will use to solve the problem of calculation with the help of log? Take suppose in 9th question of exercise 2.4, you see if x equal to this, then log x equal to, taking log, numerator का term प्लस में आएगा, that is log 5.364 whole cube. Multiplication, that is plus. You see the log table or rule of logarithm, and denominator का term minus log 83.45 to the power 1 by 3. Then use the logarithmic property. Then what happens? Log m to the power n, that is n log n. So this 3 becomes here. 1 by 2 becomes here. Log m to the power n, that is n log n. Using this property, log m to the power n, that is n log n. Then 1 by 3 here. Now see the logarithmic table. What is the characteristic of this number? Before decimal you have only one digit, so its characteristic is 0 plus 53 का 6 देखिए, then you get 0.7292 and the mean difference for 4, that is 3, so it becomes 0.7295. Similarly here 1 by 2 characteristic is 1, that number of digits before decimal is 2, so 2 minus 1, that is 1, plus 49 का 7 and mean difference add करिए, then it becomes 0.6964 प्लस मीन डिफरेंस लास्ट डिजिट में ऐड करेंगे 6 के लिए मीन डिफरेंस 5 है, दैट इज दिस बिकम 0.6969. Similarly here -1/3 the characteristic is 1 point डायरेक्ट लिख दिया. 63 का 4 देखिए, 63 का 4 9212 plus 2 that is 9214. Now you make the simplification of multiplying with 3 divide with 2, then what happens? This number becomes log x equal to 2.3964. Then what is x? X is anti-log of 2.3964. एंटी-लॉग टेबल 0.39 का 6 देखिए, 4 का मीन डिफरेंस ऐड करिए, दिस बिकम्स 0.2492 into 10 to the power 2 plus 1, that is 3, that is 249.2. So how we will use the log table to calculate the numbers? Please do the problem like this and make the practice. My dear children, I want to tell you, in the PT1 you have committed some basic mistake like the greatest prime number is not defined. Somebody write like Simran Jha, Samarpan Jha write 17. What is this? What do you mean of? Somebody asked me, sir, you don't give the limit. What is the limit? The numbers having no limit. So what is the greatest prime number? That is not defined. What is the least prime number? Least prime number is 2. So you remember such type of basics. In the representation of the binary to decimal system and decimal to binary system, you have committed the mistake. That's why you lose your marks. Whenever you have to find the modulus of a complex number, then you remember first you have to write the complex number in standard form, that is a plus ib. Then you have only obtained their modulus. This is the or conjugate. So these are the some problems. You have committed the mistake. Please make the practice and try to solve the question of log in this way. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.